Welcome to the dreaded Forex Rule of Two, the law that began in the Garden of Eden. To grasp the madness of Forex trading today, you have to go back, way back to Eden, where curiosity kissed rebellion. Adam reached, Eve reasoned, and with one bite, the world learned that Forex trading always comes with a price. And God said, don't jump into conclusions. Wait, what did God say? Run that again. And God said, let us make man in our image. Oh, yeah. And the rule of two began, male and female. Eve wandered near the forbidden tree, and the serpent slithered close. Hey, gal, did God really say you can't eat from any tree in the garden? Eve said, only this one, with your ass on it. The serpent laughed. Die? Bro, nahiyo uliskia wapi? God's bluffing. Take a bite, and suddenly you'll know everything. Be like gods. Run away from Adam, be your own boss. Fly to the moon without Wi-Fi, snacks, or a return ticket. Create your own world working 9 to 5 paying rent in Paradise Lost. Wait, what? Me? Work? While Adam is in paradise? No way. Nah. The serpent said, relax, I got you. Take a bite. Share it with Adam. Just cry some crocodile tears and Adam will tag along and you can be his queen. You can call it empowerment. The rule of two. Curiosity and temptation gnawed at her.
Really?
The rule of two, obey God and remain ignorant, or disobey and face the consequences. The dreaded Forex Rule of Two, the law that breaks Forex traders. Two choices, two outcomes, and only one would leave her whole. We all want the good while being evil.
Target eliminated.
Once initiated, the rule of two cannot be broken. A new city gate has been opened by the gatekeeper. This city gate will be called the Forex Rule of Two Candlesticks. Charles says that there are only two candlesticks in every chart, a bull and a bear. These two candles form two types of trends, an uptrend and a downtrend, the rule of two sustained. According to Charles, the rule of two in an uptrend dictates that the market can only form two types of bullish candlesticks, a full bull bar and a broken down bullish candlestick, the rule of two. In the words of Charles, the rule of two also applies for the downtrend. There are only two types of bearish candlesticks, a full-grown bear and a broken down bearish candlestick, the rule of two. These seemingly broken bull bar or bears is actually one single candlestick. Do not think even for once that the rule of two has been broken. Nope, Charles said happily. Imagine.
Fire, baby.
God revealed this to me just yesterday on 8th of October 2025. Ever notice how every Forex chart looks peaceful right before it ruins your life? Here comes the plot twist. The two candlesticks, a bull and a bear, form two types of zones, a bull zone and a bear zone. A bull zone has a bare minimum of 3 broken bullish candlesticks, followed by a bearish candlestick to confirm it has ended. A bear zone also has a bare minimum of 3 broken down bears, followed by a bull bar to confirm it has officially ended. They are like the stairs of a building. One piece cannot be called a staircase. It has to be a stack of steps to make the staircase. Every move in Forex is a tug of war between two opposing forces, smart money and dumb money. Liquidity hunters versus liquidity victims. These market predators engage a strong opposing level via these broken down bars. This is how they test the waters, the strength of these opposing zones. For lack of a better word, traders like to call these zones support and resistance. Smart money are not just smart, they are like predators, and they have learnt to hide their footprint extremely well before a major strike. Welcome to the eternal war of buyers versus sellers. One side's greed is the other's fear. This law of two breaks traders faster than greed does. Hope and despair, your entry versus your funeral. You see a breakout, the market sees a buffet of your stop losses. You think you're following the trend, but the trend is following you, straight to liquidation. Mastering Forex means mastering greed versus discipline. The rule of two. The trade you want versus the trade you should take. In Forex, you don't just battle price. You battle your other self, the other one who thinks the chart owes him an apology, versus the disciplined you, the one who obeys risk management. In Forex, every candle hides two stories, one of victory and one of regret. Buyers fight sellers, logic fights greed, and you're the fool stuck between them, calling it a strategy. This is Forex, where every choice has a twin and one always buries the other.
Fire, baby.
Charles has not even started to scratch the surface of what God reveals about Forex. He says, I can see where the code clicks and reverses the market. I have an idea how it clicks, but it has not been revealed to me yet. It is hidden in plain sight. I can see the promised land unfold right before my eyes, but I cannot do anything until God opens that city gate. Tag that trader still playing one-sided, and subscribe to learn more on candlesticks.